guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a quick and easy hairstyle tutorial on Jailyn. I'm showing you all of the products that I used in this video. So first off, I'm gonna do sort of kind of like a Mickey Mouse inspired type of hairstyle. So I have the hair parted in 4 sections already. Then I'm gonna join the back 2 together and comb that through. Afterwards, I'm just gonna take a hard bristle brush and brush the gel through the hair to get it nice and smooth. Then I'm going to secure it with an elastic band. Afterward, I'm gonna add a little bit of the leave-in conditioner to moisturize her hair. For the front, I'm just going to neaten the part to get an even as possible part. Again, I added some of the leave-in conditioner to soften the hair. Then I added some of the curling gel souffle. And then I'm going to just brush that through the hair and add an elastic band. Because I don't like to leave her hair out, I'm just going to tuck it under with an elastic as well. I'm also going to repeat the same steps on the next side. I was having a bit of an issue with creating this bun on the other side, but don't be like me. Try your best to get it as equal as possible. But Jailyn was already frustrated and tired with me, so I was just trying to hurry up to film this video. Then I'm just going to add some hair bubbles for a cute accessory. For hairstyle number 2, the only thing I'm gonna do is take out the elastics out of the 2 ponytails and make them into 1. I don't have to add any more product because she already has product in her hair, so I'm just brushing it through and I'm going to secure it with a rubber band. And there you have it, guys. 2 very simple, very basic hairstyles. I'm pretty sure you guys do this already, but I just wanted to show you. I hope that this was helpful and enjoyable, and I'll see you guys next time.